Welcome. In this video, we're going to walk through exactly how you can delete scheduled messages on Telegram. Whether you've changed your mind, sent the wrong thing, or just want to tidy up your messages, this quick guide will show you every step you need to follow. First, open the Telegram app on your phone or desktop. Make sure you're logged into the account where the scheduled message is waiting. Once you're in, go to the chat where you scheduled the message. This can be a personal chat, a group, or even a channel you manage. Next, look at the bottom of your screen, right where you usually type your messages. You'll see a small calendar icon near the message bar. Tap that icon, or you might see an option that says Scheduled Messages. Either one will take you to the same place. Now you're in the Scheduled Messages section. Here, you'll see all the messages you've set to send later in that particular chat. Take a moment to scroll through if you have a few of them queued up. When you find the message you want to remove, simply long press on it. That means hold your finger down for a second until a menu appears. From there, look for the delete icon, usually represented by a small trash can. Tap it once, and Telegram will ask you to confirm that you really want to delete the scheduled message. Go ahead and confirm, and that message will disappear completely. It won't send at the scheduled time, and no one else will see it. And that's it, you've successfully deleted a scheduled message on Telegram. It's really that simple. Taking just a few seconds to manage your scheduled messages can help keep your chats organized and prevent accidental sends in the future. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like the video and share it with anyone who might need it.